What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have another haul. As you can see there, I'm trying to cover the address and stuff, but you read the title. I have another haul, a little Cnfans haul, so I'm gonna unbox it. So I actually don't know the weight of this haul as I'm recording this, so I'll just put it on the screen, but I'd say it's probably around like 5 or 6 kg, so this is really hard to do with one hand. And you already know, get your free Cnfans coupons, free shipping coupons, over $129 worth of coupons inside my link tree, and in the first link in my bio, it'll be like Cnfans shipping coupons. Get your free coupons. You can't get them anytime later, but then now, so get your coupons. I almost just stabbed myself and almost ended my life. But here is the haul that's opened. Of course, you can see the slide box on top. Let's just start with the slides. I don't care. If you know what these are. And yeah, I'm just gonna pour the rest of these out. So starting off with the slides, looks backwards. We have a pair of Gucci slide. We have a pair of Yeezy Slides. Why is this not opening? Am I like a bot? They really packed this well. All right, Gucci. Why do I keep saying Yeezy Slides? These are Yeezy Slides. They came with, oh my God, they smell like rubber. Box is in good condition for once. But yeah, these are Yeezy Slides. I made sure to get a quality link because I know that sometimes non-quality ones don't actually squish as the normal ones do. These feel very squishy. I have the, as you can see, I have the gray, light gray ones, but I always wanted the black ones because, you know, like black goes with everything. Ooh, they actually feel really good. They feel really good. They feel really comfy, I'm not gonna lie. Yeezy Slides. Look at that squish. That's kind of crazy. Such a good purchase because who wants to spend $150 on StockX for these? Especially because Kanye doesn't sell them anymore. So like literally who wants to do that? I'm gonna wear these for the rest of the video. Where are my scissors at? Where are my scissors at? All right, there's some scissors in my bed somewhere. I'll find them later probably. These stupid tags. Anyways, I got my brand new Yeezy Slides on and I'm ready to continue unboxing. Next, we have this hoodie and you're gonna see it. You're about to see it. So I actually bought this hoodie in a previous haul, which I know I say a lot because I buy a lot of the same things 5 times once I realize they're good quality. But this is a thick gray blank heavy hoodie. I bought it because it's the winter season, as you may know, and the inside is very like it's layered, and it's also a very heavy hoodie itself. And you know, it's cold outside. A normal hoodie don't cut it no more. So let me try this on. Peep this shirt. I can't put down the cup. Shout out to Dave Blunts. You know, I'm trying to be just like him one day, just as big. Here I have it on. It kind of fits a little goofy. What the hell? I'm not gonna lie, like kind of like a crop. It's a little bit cropped, like not like crop, but like it's like it could be longer on the bottom. Boy, if you don't get your squiggly diggly head. As you can see here, I'll show you. Like it could be longer. Like my shirt be showing under it. Like it could be longer. I mean, it's a heavy and comfy hoodie. I just don't really like the cropped hoodie kind of style. It's not really cropped. To me, it's cropped though. You can probably stretch it. But if this is something you're interested in, you can go to repsheets.net and find it. You can search blank hoodie or blank zip up or heavy zip up, or I don't know, I'll put it on screen. Repsheets.net. I have all my links, over 4,000 links. 4,000 links of spreadsheet type items, you know, like rep items. And yeah, it's a great place. We do not care. Anyways, that was like $7. And next, I have a Essentials hoodie. I actually can't believe it. This is like my 20th Essential hoodie. All of them are either bad quality, too big, or like I give them away. I don't even know. Anyways, Essentials hoodie. I know you may see one of these in every video. If you've watched my videos before, I have like an Essentials hoodie in every haul. But they're just such a good buy because this is like what, $20, and the original one's like $150. And it's honestly better quality than the original one that I have. So it's such a good purchase. Anyways, I'm gonna keep it on for the time being. Here's Mocha. She is a frequent guest on this TV show. Yep, TV show. She loves to come in my room and play in all the packaging and consume all the microplastics and Chinese chemicals. So yeah, that's what she does. Anyways, next item is another Essentials hoodie. Honestly, send me stuff to buy on Discord because I don't know what to buy anymore. I'm such a simple person. Like I just buy like simple clothing. Like I have like 4 fits in rotation. So yeah, most of my hauls have the exact same stuff, and they're just gifts for people or like items I buy for fun. Anyways, this is a Essentials hoodie. Next, look at that. Pretty good quality. This is the same link as this one, so it's like $20, $25. Bought this because my old black one is a little bit faded now. It's a little bit shrunk after like 30 washes. Quality is, you know, degrading on that one, so I decided I'd get a new one. You can find both of these Essentials hoodies in repsheets.net. Search Essentials hoodie. Honestly, should be the first item on there because it's a popular item. Next, I have a gift from my mom. Actually, it's supposed to be for Christmas. The haul arrived on Christmas, but I didn't have any microphone that I could record with, so I made her wait. What day is it? Yeah, it's the day after Christmas today, so she's waited an extra day. I'm sorry, hey, I'm sorry. I don't know if it'll fit her. I didn't check any sizes at all. I didn't even ask her what her size was, so I hope it fits. I think it's a large. This looks really small, I think. Let me try it on. Yeah, I think this is the wrong size, and I'm gonna feel really bad now because I told her I got a jacket. Yep, but what is this? Why is it so short? Wow, I feel terrible. I don't think this is gonna fit her. Look how short it is on me. It's so short. I'm a terrible son. I'm a terrible son. This jacket is weird. Oh my God, what is this? Yeah, so actually, I bought stuff from a random seller. I didn't even put it in the spreadsheet, so thank God I didn't, because this jacket is some weird proportions. I can't lie. Wow, I kind of feel bad. I told her I got her a jacket. I also got her a matching phone case. Hope she don't bring out the belt, I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, for the next item, like I said, a matching North Face phone case. This is a pretty cool item. I've seen a lot of people with it. Pretty good quality on the phone case, you know. I mean, it's a phone case. It does what it needs to do. And for the last item in the haul is this Chrome Hearts phone case. I actually got this one like 10 months ago and it didn't fit my phone case, but I got another, so I'm gonna see. I'm gonna test these. She's the same phone brand, or she's the same phone model as me, so they both fit hers. You might see my mom with some Chrome Hearts. Anyways, this is how it fits on my phone. Kind of matches the shirt, hoodie, whatever. This concludes my calm little haul. I'm gonna call it the calm little haul, so you'll see it in the title, but I just came up with the name right now, calm little Cnfans haul, because there's really nothing going on in this haul. It's a boring haul. But yeah, if you liked the video, drop a like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Get your free coupons. Check our rep sheets, and yeah, peace. Join my Discord too. Join my Discord. A lot of giveaways. Join my Discord. Bye.